Hi, in this video, we are going to study about the finite and infinite set. Means we are going to decide with the help of example which set is finite and which is infinite. And for the sake of example, we are going to solve the question number 4 from this practice set 1.2. So from this question number 4, I have separated some questions covers finite as well as infinite type of set. So let's start solving the question. See, we have to decide whether the given set is finite or infinite. And for that particular case, we need to justify also why a particular set is called as a finite and why it is not called as infinite. So let's start solving this. For the first A, set A, can we call this as a finite or infinite? Let us decide. Set A is given as A is set of all x such that x is less than 10, comma x is a natural number. Now x is a natural number and it should be less than 10, means there will be finite number of elements present in set A. So set A will be simply written as 1 up to 9 only. We are going to write the elements in set A because the condition is specified as x should be less than 10. That's why I have written the elements from 1 to 9. Why 1 to 9? Because condition is given as x is a natural number. And now as we can see in this particular set A, finite number of elements are present. Hence this set A is called as a finite set. We are going to write the reason. Like this we have to justify also in examinations. Now for the second example, set B is given as B is set of all y such that y should be less than minus 1 and y is an integer. Now consider this condition wala part. Y is an integer. Now integers start from infinity to the negative side, become up to 0, then towards the positive side the numbers continue up to infinity. So in case of this particular condition, y should be less than minus 1. In case of integers, there are infinite number of elements which are smaller than minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, up to infinity of negative side. So many number of elements are present. Hence we can say that set B is a infinite set. We are going to write it answer as B is up to infinity, comma 3, minus, minus 1 be less than minus. I'm not going to write minus 1. So in this particular case, infinite number of elements are present as now we are moving to the third example. Third set is given as C is set of students of class 9 from your school. Now in any school the number of student in a particular standard or a particular class will be limited. If we consider ninth class in any particular school, there might be several divisions, but the number of students will be countable. That's why it is falling under the category of countable set. Hence, we can say that set C is a finite set. Okay, then. And the last one, D is a set of whole number. Now, in terms of standard notation, whole number set is represented by capital W. But for this example, we are going to represent it with the help of capital D. Now we know that whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and they move up to infinity. So there are uncountable number of elements present in set D. Hence, we are calling the set D as infinite, as the number of elements in set D are uncountable. Hence, set D is called as finite. So I hope you have understood the concept of finite and infinite set with the help of examples. The practice. Thank you.